Bago yan. Ito naman po ang bagong paraan kung paano ma-introduce ng pamahalaan ng iba pang proyekto ng Philippine Development Plan. Hinatid po sa atin yan ni Ms. Dina Libunao sa Digital Diaries.
Whose government messages only come in press releases? In a music video launched on YouTube, the government highlights its accomplishments in the past year. Entitled Ano Ang Sona Mo, the video shows that through the universal health care, 3.9 million families are now beneficiaries of the Conditional Cash Transfer Program, while 79.1 million Filipinos are covered by PhilHealth. And more than 127,000 houses have been given access to electricity as of 2013. The government also created 1.44 million jobs in 2012, which came from community-based employment. The local economy also expanded 7.8% year compared to 6.8% in 2012. To improve access to quality education, the government also built almost 34,000 classrooms, while plans to hire 61,150 teachers. 4.2 million tourists were recorded in the country last year. 3.8 million Filipinos obtained jobs, and the Transportation and Communications Department has upgraded 25 airports so far. At least 70,000 tested scholars were enrolled to help them land jobs. Filipinos also benefit from the government's improved disaster preparedness and mitigation efforts, including accurate weather forecast from the Pegasus Project NOAA. The online initiative was produced by the Presidential Communications and Operations Office, and the cinematography was done in and out of Metro Manila. The video is a call for action that seeks the people's participation in building a nation and improving their lives together with the reforms initiated by the administration. As the song goes, walang di kaya ang isang bayanihan. We all have a stake in building this nation. Ikaw, ano ang sona mo? For the People's Television, this is Dina Libunao.